right now. I don't know if you can really see him too well, but he's the director. So he's making sure everyone has something to do. Right now we're just chilling because like there's really nothing to do. Today is also formal night, so I want to see how everyone dresses up and everything. But there's a long itinerary with stuff to do. Say hi. There's a long itinerary with stuff to do, but we just haven't done much.
16, you're looking good. 15, show them how it's done. Ready?
From here because it will make a lot of noise. Okay, so we tried to get mini facials, but we made it too late to the party.
We were doing drugs.
It says 1 to 2 and it's only 1:40, but I guess
Probably until 1:30.
they're having an auction though.
Alright, now next we have our guess the weight. How many of you guessed the weight of the sculpture? Alright, I know a lot of you were waiting for this one. So the winning weight, and by the way, Osaji? I couldn't read the last line. Cabin number 618, last 3 numbers, 618. No more. Erica Carney? No, Erica Pat, are you here, Pat? Again, like share, just Pat. Alright. Victoria Martinez, not. Hey, Kyler, you're the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 closest guess. Good job, Kyler, you're here. Alright, Kyler, you've just won. You know what you just won? You've just won the opportunity to bid on this work of art. Alright, if you don't win the puppy, folks, the estimated retail price for this puppy, CP number 38, is $9,100. I'll be leaving the ship with you and not by choice. But you will get a prize package that given to you by the art gallery. It's going to include 2 large format works of art as well as a few other goodies as well. Don't forget to make an appointment with one of my associates and we'll give you that prize point as well. So ladies and gentlemen, that's CP lot number 38 and has an estimated retail price of $9,100 done by Romero Brito. Now Romero Brito is currently the most licensed artist in history, which means when you collect these artworks, you can find these artworks anywhere and everywhere. An amazing artist.
So we got new bling. We switched from the lanyard just to this watch, just so that we don't take it off anymore because we kept taking it off and on. And it was kind of annoying, but they have bingo. And we're about to play. The jackpot is $1,500. They have bingo. And we're about to play. Oh, actually, yes. Let me sneak outside real quick while we watch. Thanks. Sorry. Wow. So you gotta pay for bingo. It's not free. Scratch tickets, $69, $59, $39, $29.
I'm dead. Look at.
Well, what to do now?
Go back to the. Let's go down.
Sis, we could sneak right in.
Because believe me, if there's something not quite right, we can fix it. We've got an amazing team on board of all different disciplines, and believe me, we've overcome all sorts of challenges in the past to make sure that you have a great vacation. So I'll open it up just because I'm conscious of time, and also I don't want any hard questions. So what we'll do is we'll just limit the exposure here. We'll just do 3 minutes for us, because believe me, that's all. Everyone is so
You have to go out there. Do it again.
Huh?
So you have to go out there. Strong winds. It's formal night. Today was our first day, our entire first day on the boat. It's not really much to do. We enjoyed the pool, enjoyed the eats, tried to do some activities throughout the day. Didn't really work out that way. But now it's formal night. We're about to go catch a Broadway show. How was your experience for the first day on the boat? Let's go. Well, there you go. She's not jacking it that much. But let's go have some fun. Let's see what formal night is about. Fancy tonight in the Coral dining room. This is what we missed on the first night for going to sleep, so we finally made it to one. Tomorrow, I think, is the island room, so we're gonna be in a different room. Hopefully it looks different. But yeah, let's see what it's here for.
Alright. And enjoy, yeah?
Thank you. She got the fettuccine and some shrimp cocktail. I got a sauteed shrimp with coconut rice. Scratching your head for me. Everything be so little. How was your fettuccine? Yeah, this was so-so. The restaurant last night was even better. But now for the best part. What? You just get up and leave.
Have a good night.
Thank you so much.
And you're welcome.
And then you just walk out after you have your meal, which is like literally the best part ever. Now we're about to go find something to do. So we're back at the sanctuary because we have nothing else to do. Tomorrow is an early debark to Puerto Rico, like 7 a.m. So we're just patiently waiting to get sleepy. We just ordered some drinks from the Medallion app. I can finally show you guys that they come find us wherever we are. You can now order drinks at the Princess Theater. So that's kind of sucky because during the show we should have got a drink before, but we didn't think about it. But they had a nice little opera. I thought it was gonna be a storyline, and they was just singing like songs. And yes, I know opera means singing, but I thought it would have a story to it. But yeah. Thank you so much. Oh! He found us. I'm dead. He's gonna come back. You just ordered one, right? Oh. I'm dead. I'm spent. Okay. Booby.